May Branch Take and Make for children. And this is what you're going to be making is a card. All right, and in your kit, you're going to get a blue piece of paper, and it's already pre-cut for you, a bag with googly eyes. You're going to get a white sheet of paper that has clouds on it, a yellow sheet of paper that has a circle and some triangles. That's going to be our sun. I've pre-cut them just to save a little time in our video. You're also going to get a glue stick in your bag. What you will need at home is you will need a red marker, a black marker, a pair of scissors, and if you want Elmer's glue for the googly eyes, you can get that as well. It's up to you. So the first thing you're going to have to do is we got to create our sun. So you're going to take the yellow circle here and your glue stick, and you're going to put the glue down on the bottom of the triangle. Just like that. And you can do black lines up or black lines down, however you want. And you're just going to stick it on the bottom of the circle. Tuck it underneath there. Now you're going to go directly across and you're going to do the same thing. Okay. And now the next one, we're going to turn it, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Right, and we're going to go across and do the same thing there. Okay. There. Now you're going to use the rest to fill in the spaces. My glue is gobbing here. Set that over there. Going to fill in those spaces so they're nice and even, and that helps it when we have to fold it. Okay, so there's those, and now that we've done that, we're going to put our googly eyes on. So you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to make 2 circles on the sun, one there and one there. And like I said, if you're worried about it not sticking, you can use Elmer's glue too. It's whatever you prefer. Glue stick is usually a little less messier. So I'm going to stick an eye there and an eye here. Okay, so we have our eyes. Now we're going to put our mouth on with our black marker. Okay, just like that. And you can even give it 2 little lines here if you want. Okay. And you use the red marker to give him some cheeks. There's one there and one there. Okay. So let that dry for just a couple seconds. You're going to take your card, all right, and I'm going to use my scissors to weight down that side, and we're going to glue our clouds on. And you can put these anywhere you want on the top of the card because the sun's going on the bottom. So we want to go up here, opposite of the words. Okay. You're going to stick a cloud there or anywhere you want. Okay. And you don't need a whole lot of glue. See, my glue stick, I'm pushing too hard, so it's starting to get a little goopy there. Not a whole lot. Right. Put one there. Watch you don't put them on the flap, okay? You can put them right beside. Okay, now that we're done with the clouds, all right, you have the bottom part of the flap here. You're going to put the glue just on that bottom part. You're going to cover it all up here with glue, with your glue stick. And now you're going to take your sun and you need to bend it right at the bottom here. Just give it a bend back, just like that. Okay. Yep, push it down. All right, pull it back up. And now you're going to stick it right to the flap. It'll sit right there perfectly. And you're going to stick it to the back of the flap. And you take your finger, go inside here of the flap, and just push on it. Give it a little extra push. Okay. And then, if you want, you can even come down here and glue these down. Okay. Push it forward, and there we go. And now, just bend the card forward, push down, nice and easy. Okay, and there you have your card, and you can give it to someone or you can keep it for yourself, but that is our May branch take and make. Enjoy.